this is the monocot seed. So you can see in the structure where the seed possesses the embryo and axis, that is apicotyl and hypocotyl. In the same way, the two cotyledons will be present in the dicotyledon seed, and this is the seed coat. See, first of all, let's go through the structure. Seed coat. What happens is this ovule develops into seed. At the same time, the integuments, which are the ovule, that is outer and inner integument, they differentiate and converts into called seed coat. So the outer seed coat is called as the testa, which will be protected in nature, and the inner seed coat is called as the tegument. So these two are the two protective layers of the seed. So together we call these as the seed coat. So there are two cotyledons which are present in the dicotyledon seed. Here in apicotyl and in hypocotyl, here this apicotyl terminates the plumule and hypocotyl terminates the radicle, which is root system. So here this is the structure of the dicotyledon seed. And coming to monocotyledon seed, this is same as we have studied the embryo of dicotyledon and monocotyledon. Even here in the same case, what happens? The name, do you remember this? Scutellum, which is the name of the shield-shaped cotyledon, which is single cotyledon. That is called as the scutellum. Where collectile, which terminates the growth of leaf, that is plumule, and coleoraza, which protects the radicle, which produces or terminates the growth of roots. So this is about the seed structure. Well, there are two types of seeds. What are they? Let's go through them. That is, one is non-endospermic seed and another is endospermic seed. We can call endospermic seed as also albuminous and non-endospermic seed as X-albuminous. So what is the difference? The word itself says that this is non-endospermic seed. Means none. There is no endosperm. So whatever the seed of the endosperm which does not possess, or the seeds which does not possess endosperm, are called as the non-endospermic seeds or X-albuminous seeds, because in that seeds the endosperm won't be present. It will be fully consumed by the seeds. So this is the non-endospermic seed. For example, you can give bean and even pea. And coming to endospermic seeds, here the endosperm will be present. So the presence of endosperm will be there. So that is called as the endospermic seed. For example, you can take maize, coconut, etc. So reproduction. So, hence there are the production of seeds we can see. So, apomixis is nothing but it is the production of the seeds without fertilization. There won't be any fertilization process occurs, but also the production of seeds takes place. This is called as the apomixis, where it copies the sexual reproduction, but it is considered as one of the asexual reproduction. Here, I forgot to tell you. Let me tell you the advantages of these seeds and fruits. What are the advantages of these seeds and fruits? However, these fruits, what they do is, these fruits provide nourishment to the seeds. Yes or no? They provide nourishment to the seeds, and at the same time they provide or they protect the seeds in immature condition. While the seeds will be in an immature condition, these fruits provide them the protection. At the same time, even seeds have their own advantages, like seeds they provide genetic variation, and also they propagate, or they are the major organs of the plant where we can segregate or propagate or dispersal occurs. So these are the important advantages of the seeds and fruits. So coming to importance of apomixis. Here in case of apomixis, the asexual reproduction type it is, and there is no fusion of a male and female gametes takes place. Hence, there will be no genetic variation, and we can't even notice, and as it is infection-free embryos, it develops infection-free embryos. In the sense, the embryos will be in a healthy condition, and genetic variation won't occur, and exactly they recopy their offsprings. So this is the importance of the apomixis. And coming to the last topic, that is polyembrony. Polyembrony. What is this polyembrony? The word itself says that poly means many, where embryo means embryo. Means the polyembrony is the production or the formation of multiple embryos. Multiple embryos. So, the formation or production of more than one or two, or the production of multiple embryos is called as the polyembryony. For example, in case of orange and in case of castor, especially in orange, we can notice the presence or production of the or formation of the many embryos. In this polyembryo, we can see two types, that is simple embryony and mixed embryony or mixed polyembryony. In simple polyembryony, there is only more than 2 or 3 types of embryony, that is simple. Where in case of mixed embryony, here what happens is, the diploid cell which undergoes division and the cells which are present like nuclear cells, those embryonic sac, they get differentiated and develop into many embryos. So that is called as the mixed polyembryony. So this is the overall overall points about these topics called seed, fruit, apomixis and polyembryony. These are mainly used for the genetic variation and in order to transfer or preserve the species which are desired or whatever we need. So these are about the simple and quite light information about these topics. With that, the chapter 2nd of your biology, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, gets over, and in the next video let's move on with a new chapter. Till then, have a good day and enjoy. Try to study well, as these, especially this testine tegment and even these types of fruits, these are very confusing because in MCQ questions they just trigger you to answer how to think, and so please just concentrate on these topics, especially of these apomixis and polyembryony. Try to focus on the importance and advantages of them, even the fruits and the seeds, as they are very simple and